User-defined values. Allow users to customize field values and automate field inputs. This eliminates the need for manual input by automating the process. Customizing field values with a filtered list. From a sales order, I choose Edit. To access user-defined values in edit mode, I choose the button Edit User-Defined Values. The fields that can be customized with UDV have an edit icon next to the field. In the Product Details section, if I open the Item Color drop-down for one of the products, I'll see the full list of colors that I defined earlier. To narrow the list for the user, I'll choose the Edit icon in the Item Color column. Then choose the Filtered List tab. I'll uncheck the Allow to View All Values option. And in the Values to Include section, I'll select the white, blue, and gray options. If I open the Item Color drop-down for one of the products, there are now only 3 colors, white, blue, and gray. If I wanted to show these 3 colors as the default values, but also display the other values, I can go back to edit the UDV and recheck this box. So when I go to the drop-down list again, users will see white, blue, and gray by default. But they have the option to display all the other values if they want. This is the process to define a UDV. When I am finished, I'll choose Finish Edit. Customizing field values with a mathematical formula from header field. In this example, I'll show you how to define a mathematical formula so that each time I enter the posting date, the delivery date will be automatically set to 1 week later. To do this, open a sales order, choose Edit, then choose Edit User-Defined Values. Choose the edit icon next to the delivery date field. There is the Triggers field, where we can define the trigger by choosing the value help icon. I search for the posting date trigger. You can have up to 5 triggers. Lastly, we need to define the formula. In the Formula field, enter the formula. Start typing posting and use the autocomplete to choose posting date. Then type +7 days. To test it, choose Test, and you'll see the result. When you change the posting date, you can see the delivery date automatically updated to 1 week later. Choose Finish Edit to save the new UDV. Customizing field values with a mathematical formula from table field. I'll open a sales order. I choose the button Edit User-Defined Values and choose the edit icon next to the estimated margin column header. I'll choose the Formula tab and establish the triggers. I want the trigger to be from the table fields, and in this case the trigger for the update is the estimated cost. I want to use the price of the item, which is product item unit price. Then I want to subtract unit price from estimated cost. So this is the final formula, and now I can test it. Then choose OK. In the estimated cost field, if I change the estimated cost value, for example to 700, the price with estimated margin field updates automatically. I choose Finish Edit to save the new UDV. Using the Central Management view to manage UDVs. In this example, I'll show you how to manage user-defined values using the Central Management view. Let's start by opening the User-Defined Values tile. From the Field drop-down menu, I can easily filter and view the UDVs I've already created. A powerful feature of the UDV Central Management is the ability to replicate this UDV to other business objects, such as the delivery and A/our invoice. After confirming the selection, the UDV and its associated formula are successfully applied. With the relevant UDV still selected, I can also use the export function. Choosing this will save a file containing these UDV configurations directly to my computer. This way, if I change the database, I can import these UDV formulas into another company database. I'll switch to a different company database, which currently has no user-defined values configured. I need to go to the Central Management view, then open the User-Defined Values tile. To bring in the configurations, I'll choose Import and browse for the file I just saved. The system will display a preview of the UDVs contained within the file. Then choose Import. I can see from the progress bar at the top that the imports were 100% successful. I can expand the drop-down to see the newly imported values. Note that only the UDV formulas are imported. Additional settings such as user-defined fields must already exist or be added manually to the database for the formula to work the same way as in the original company database. Thank you.